Hello friends, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. Watermelon. Can a pregnant lady eat watermelon and what effect the watermelon has on the baby in the womb? So guys, in today's video we will know everything about eating watermelon during pregnancy. So let's get started. Friends, eating watermelon during pregnancy can be beneficial as well as it has some demerits as well. But guys, let's start with the advantages of eating watermelon during pregnancy. Eating watermelon has amazing health benefits, and the first benefit is relief from heartburn and acidity. So if you're eating watermelon during pregnancy, you can easily keep the problems of acidity and heartburn at bay. Another very much common problem is swelling during pregnancy. Swelling usually occur in hands and feet or any part of the body. It can occur. If you're eating watermelon, it really alleviates this problem. It lessens the swelling. Some of the pregnant ladies experience the problem of morning sickness. So guys, if you are having such problem of morning sickness, in that case, if you are drinking a glassful of watermelon juice, it is really going to benefit you. Apart from that, it will also give you energy and it will give you a soothing feeling. Watermelon is having ample of water content into it. It is said that the 90% of the content of watermelon is water. And if you are eating watermelon during pregnancy, you will not be affected by the problem of dehydration. Another problem is premature contraction and premature birth. So this is also wherein watermelon helps you. Guys, during pregnancy, there is a lot of fluctuation in the hormones level. There is a normal weight gain during pregnancy, and due to which you can experience the muscular pain. So eating watermelon during pregnancy is highly beneficial to solve the problem of muscular cramps. Skin darkening is another problem during pregnancy. So guys, if you are eating watermelon during pregnancy, it is going to bring glow to your skin, and the problem of skin darkening can be resolved to some extent. Eating watermelon during pregnancy is also beneficial for your baby in the womb. It improves the eyesight of the baby. It strengthens the immune system of the baby, and also it makes strong the nervous system and the brain of the baby. So guys, so far we have talked about the advantage of watermelon. Let's have a look on the disadvantages of eating watermelon during pregnancy. Friends, as we know that if we are eating anything in control, it has got some of the benefits. However, if we are overeating anything, then the effect can be adverse as well. So likewise, if we are eating watermelon in excess amount, then it is not good. Watermelon is having high content of sugar in it. So if you are eating watermelon and you are diabetic or you are having gestational diabetes during pregnancy, then this is really not good food for you to eat. It can increase the sugar level in your blood, and that can really bring problem to you and your baby as well. Guys, one more point about watermelon is that it is very good to detoxify your body. But in case you are eating lots of watermelon, in the case of flushing out the toxins from your body, excessive watermelon consumption can also flush out the necessary nutrients that are highly required during pregnancy. Another point to remember is that whenever you are cutting the watermelon, just consume it at that point only. Do not store it. Do not do that. You have cut the watermelon and then you're storing it in a fridge for a few days and then you're consuming over the time. So this is not good at all, and it is really harmful during pregnancy. You can get nausea, gastric issue, and the problem of vomiting can also occur. So guys, these were some of the disadvantages of eating watermelon in large amount. So not only you, but your baby in the womb also will suffer from these disadvantages. So guys, I will only advise you to go for watermelon consumption on the advice of your doctor, your gynecologist, because your gynecologist know everything about you, whether you are diabetic or not. So friend, how did you like this video? Just tell me by commenting. If you have liked the video, kindly press the like button, kindly share this video as much as you can, and kindly subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Thanks for visiting the channel and the video. Stay happy, stay healthy.